If you're a student or you use your laptop or phone daily, then this video is seriously going to save you a lot of time. Today, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that can make your assignments. These tools make notes, presentations, and even voiceovers super easy, like really easy. And honestly, some of these tools are so crazy, it feels like the future is already here. So yeah, make sure you watch till the end. Alright guys, welcome back. If you're into AI tools, YouTube automation, and the latest tech videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started with the first AI tool. So the first tool is obviously ChatGPT. And honestly, if you're still not using ChatGPT, you're missing out on a lot. This tool can help with assignments, write emails, generate ideas, create scripts, and summarize long content. Alright, let me show you a real example step by step so you actually understand how to use this properly. Let's say your teacher gives you an assignment. Now, type this prompt. Create a 10-slide presentation outline on the solar system for a school assignment. Include headings and bullet points for each slide. And that's how you use AI to save time. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate something like Slide 1, title slide. Slide 2, solar system. Slide 3-4, inner planets. Slide 5, outer planets. Let's move to slide 6, which is about Earth. Slide 7 covers moons and satellites. Slide 8 is on asteroids and comets. Slide 9 is about the asteroid and Kuiper belts. And finally, slide 10 is our conclusion. And under each slide, you'll get bullet points ready to use. Now don't stop here. Make it better. Use another prompt. Expand slide 4, inner planets, with simple explanations suitable for students. This is very important. Don't just copy-paste. Now take that content and add it into PowerPoint or Google Slides. Insert relevant images to make it more engaging. And finally, present confidently to your audience. So yeah, instead of wasting hours, you just saved your time and made a better assignment. That's the real power of ChatGPT if you use it smartly. Alright, next tool is Google Gemini. And honestly, I really like its smooth interface. It's especially powerful for research and anything related to Google. You can upload PDFs, ask questions, get summaries. For students, this is super useful because long notes can get really boring and Gemini turns them into short, easy summaries. Alright, so let me show you a real example of how Google Gemini actually helps students. For example, imagine you have a 15-page PDF chapter on the solar system. Google Gemini can summarize the key concepts for you in seconds. And your exam is tomorrow. You open Google Gemini, upload the PDF, and type. Summarize this chapter in simple points for revision. It's that simple. With AI, you get results like this within seconds. The solar system consists of the Sun and 8 planets. Inner planets are rocky: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Outer planets are gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The Sun provides energy to all planets. Asteroids and comets are smaller celestial bodies. Now let's go deeper. You can ask, explain inner planets in very simple words. And Gemini replies, inner planets are close to the Sun, they are made of rock, they are smaller and hotter. See how these tools provide instant, accurate answers. You can ask, give me 5 short exam questions from this chapter. And Gemini generates. 1. What is the solar system? Name the inner planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Why is the Sun important? The Sun provides the energy that makes life on Earth possible. Why this is powerful for students? No need to read long, boring text again. Saves hours of study time. Makes revision super easy and helps in exam preparation. Instead of reading 15 pages, use these AI tools to get a simple summary in seconds. It's a total game changer. You just upload it to Gemini, and boom, you get everything in short, simple points. Okay, now let's talk about a very underrated AI tool, NotebookLM. Honestly, I found this one really interesting. And when I first tried it, I was actually surprised by how different it is from normal AI tools. Here's what you can do with it. You can upload your PDFs, lecture notes, research papers, or even drop in YouTube video links. Then instead of just giving a simple summary, it actually understands your material and turns it into a clear, structured explanation, like your own personal study assistant. So imagine this. You upload a 15-page research paper. And instead of reading everything line by line, you instantly get the key ideas, simplified breakdowns. Is an AI tool where they explain and discuss your uploaded content in a natural conversation style. So it doesn't just help you read him. Honestly, for students, researchers, or anyone dealing with long content, Notebook LM feels like a next level learning upgrade.
Diagnosing a massive, slow-moving problem in a really complex system. It usually requires us to find a clear signal through all the noise, right?
Right, yeah. You need that one clean metric.
Exactly. Like
Right.
if we're trying to figure out how a warming planet alters the actual physical availability of water, we want to just, look at a river gauge and see a definitive trend, something that points directly to climate change.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, we constantly crave that kind of linear...
It helps you listen and understand like you're in a study session. Honestly, for students, researchers, or anyone dealing with long content, Notebook LM feels like a next level learning upgrade. And honestly, this one is a total game changer if you work with visuals. So whether you're creating presentations for class, YouTube thumbnails, professional resumes, Canva basically removes all the stress of designing from scratch. And now with its AI features, it's even more powerful. Here's how simple it is. You just type something like, create a clean, modern presentation about the solar system. And within seconds, Canva AI generates a full design. She says professionally, slides, layouts, colors, everything already structured. So instead of spending hours adjusting fonts, spacing, and templates, you already start with a professional-looking design. And the best part? You can still customize everything after that. Honestly, for beginners especially, Canva AI feels like having a designer sitting next to you. Okay, the last tool is ElevenLabs. And yes, it's a very popular AI voice tool. If you create YouTube videos, storytelling content, voiceovers, this tool generates super realistic AI voices. And honestly, some voices sound so natural, it's hard to tell the difference. But yes, important tip. Don't choose robotic voices, or your video might feel boring. So guys, these were 5 free AI tools that are super useful in 2026. Make sure to comment which tool you found the most interesting. And if you want more videos on AI tools or YouTube automation, hit the like button. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.